Good afternoon. So today we are going to see how we can run our Selenium script on our Internet Explorer driver. So in last video or in last section, we have seen that how we can run our Selenium scripts on a Chrome browser. Okay, so today what we are going to see is how we can run Selenium scripts on our Internet Explorer browser. Okay, so let's take an example same like a Chrome driver that we have to open a Google web page and we have to log some message, and after waiting for 4 seconds that Internet Explorer should get closed. Okay, so the same steps which we already seen that okay, set up instead of Chrome now we have to set up IE driver path, then open IE browser, then navigate to google.com, then log the message, and then wait for this 4 seconds, and lastly close the IE web browser. Okay, so let's start with that, and we'll see how the things we can get resolved if there are anything comes out. Okay, so let's start doing like start creating another program. So let's click on the package name and we'll create the program in this package Selenium, and then go for the class. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to name the class. Okay, so Selenium, I would say Selenium script on IE browser. Okay, Selenium script IE browser. I'll just say public static void main. Click check so that it will automatically create the method. Okay, so it's automatically created the method now. So we created the program. Now let's start with the steps. So first we have to set up the path for the IE driver. So set up path for IE driver. Okay, so how we can set up the path for the IE driver is the one thing that is needed to be do here, and we can set by using system properties as I said. So system dot set property. Okay, and then the key, and next is the value is nothing but here for that key what is the okay, and then the semicolon. Okay, so it will do it. Okay, so the key is webdriver of type IE and driver. Okay, and here you have to provide this driver path. So the path is nothing but you have to go to your download section. As in my earlier videos I have told you how to download the web drivers for different browsers, and after downloading they will go to your downloads folder, and then you have to uh, you have to restore extract the files, and whatever the extracted folder you have to give the path for that extracted folder, and that should go here. Okay, so now here IE driver server, this is the path. Okay, so let's copy it and just paste it over here, and slash slash what is that, IE driver server.exe, IE driver server.exe. Okay, so this is how we have to set the path for the IE driver. Next is open web browser. Open, I have to say IE web browser. Okay, so here same web driver, and you have to create the object of the web driver and new, and here Internet Explorer driver. Okay, so we have to create a object of the Internet Explorer driver, and that is the web driver. Okay, Okay, so let's go here. As I told earlier, whenever you see errors, you have to move your cursor over there and import this. Okay, and here also you will do the same thing and internet and import that. Okay, so imported. Now you have the driver open or a web browser open. So now next thing what you have to do, you have to again navigate to google.com. Okay, so here how you can navigate, driver dot get. Okay, and you have to provide the string over here, and string is nothing but https colon slash slash www dot google.com. Okay, so that's how it is going to be. And then what you have to do, you have to, after opening, you have to wait for 4 seconds. Okay, so how you can wait, that is the thread dot sleep. So that's the Java code. So 4000. Okay, and here you will see the error. So move and then add throws declaration or just to surround with try and clutch. Okay, anything, any option you can use. So I use the throws exception. So and then close the browser. So that's for the last step of your test case. Okay, and how you can close, driver, because you have to close the driver, right? So driver dot quit. So that will close the browser. Okay, so this is what your test case written in a Selenium script for the Internet Explorer. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run this script and see what happens. Okay, so right click here and then run as and then the Java application. Okay, so you started running the application and let's see. Oh, okay. So here we got the error. So let's see what is the error. Okay, so go up, up, up. Okay, local connection error. Exception in main thread. Okay, unexpected error launching Internet Explorer. Okay, what is the error? Unexpected error launching Internet Explorer. Protected mode settings are not same for all zones. Okay, enable protected mode must be to the same value, enable or disable for all zones. Okay, so these errors are something related to the browser, okay, that we need to set in the system. Okay, so now if this program we have to run on other machines also, maybe we'll get the same thing if we just go and set up those things on our browser. Okay, here by without doing the programmatical way, if we go to the browser, go to the tools and then settings and all that stuff we can do over there also. But if we want to do it programmatically, then what we have to do is we have to use the desired capabilities. Okay, so let's do some things on desired capabilities. So what is desired capabilities? Actually, desired capabilities normally used to set your some browser properties. Okay, so what you can do, you can have like a series of key value pair, and that will store your browser properties like browser name, browser version, or path of the driver. All these things can be done with the desired capabilities. Okay, and there is again one thing is that, okay, you can create the instance for the web drivers like Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Chrome driver. So that also you can do, and mostly these desired capabilities are used in your mobile applications and the Selenium grid. Okay, Selenium grid is nothing but when you have to run your Selenium scripts on different browsers which are located on the different machines with the different operating systems with again different versions. Okay, so that is where the Selenium grid concept will come, that we will learn in our next sessions. Okay, and what are the methods that these desired capabilities gave us is like a get browser name, set browser name, or get version, set version, get platform, set platform, get capability, and set capability also. Okay, so this is about the desired capabilities. Mostly it is used to set your browser properties. Okay, so now what we need to do here is like something related to the protected mode settings. Okay, so something related to the security related. So there is one key mentioned with the desired capabilities. That key we can set to true so that it will ignore the what I can say security related things. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So first what you need to do in this case, will change our program in such a way that it will start using this WebDriver, will start using those uh, properties set by desired capabilities. Okay, so let's create the object of the desired capabilities. So desired capabilities. Okay, and let's create a object of this desired capabilities cap equal to desired capabilities. Okay, desired capabilities and dot, what we are using browser here is the browser name, that is the Internet Explorer. If we are using Chrome and if we have to set the val any properties for the Chrome, then we can use the Chrome also. Okay, okay, so Internet Explorer and then semicolon. Okay, now next thing is that we have to use this. Now we have to set the capability. Okay, that is, here you have seen one method set capability for this desired capabilities. Okay, so we are going to use that method to ignore the security related thing, because here protected mode, that comes under the security. Okay, so cap dot set capability. Okay, and the capability name that you have to remember, and the value will be true. Okay, and the capability name is, we have to use, what is the browser, that is browser name, sorry. So the internet, so the browser name we have to write over here, that is Internet Explorer dot, Internet Explorer dot introduce flakiness, flakiness, okay, by ignoring security domains. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. So set cap dot set capability, cap dot set capability, and this is Internet Explorer. I think it's giving it, so it's, oh okay, this is regarding the driver, so you have to say Internet Explorer driver. Okay, so Internet Explorer driver, and if you give Internet Explorer driver, I think this introduce plugins will come automatically. So let's see, Internet Explorer driver dot, it's coming. Okay, so that is introduce flakiness by ignoring security domains. Okay, so this is how, so you have set the capability that, okay, whatever, if this protected mode settings, whatever the related to the security comes, you have to ignore that. Okay, and then that you have to pass while opening this capability, you have to pass when you are opening your browser. Okay, so that is the IO browser. Now let's go ahead and check how the things will go. Okay, so there are three things that you have to do. So you have to create the object of the desired capability, then set the uh, driver to ignoring security, and then pass that object to your Internet Explorer driver where you are opening the web page. Okay, let's run it. And when you are running, let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's see, the web page is open in the, or the Google site is open in the your Internet Explorer, and it gets closed, and the browser gets closed after 4 seconds. Okay, so this is about your Internet Explorer, uh, running your Selenium scripts on the Internet Explorer This is a bit different one than the Chrome and the Firefox driver. Okay, here you need to use your desired capabilities, and in Chrome and Firefox you don't need to use your desired capabilities to ignore the security domains. Okay, so this is all about uh, running your Selenium script on Internet Explorer. So goodbye, thank you, have a good day.